Connect your site to Adsense YouTube channel is really easy to fix. Now, I've just applied for Adsense on this channel, but it's giving me some issues because it actually says it's requiring me to connect your Adsense account. So what you're actually going to have to do this is if you just go over to this little 3-line option in the top left-hand corner of the screen, and we go over to the simple payments option, you can actually see your payment info just on the screen right here. And assuming your bank account and tax info is already connected, you will receive a payment. Now, it is important that you verify your address, but back to the main issue, what you're going to want to do is, if we actually are on the home screen for Google AdSense, how you actually fix this is you actually just want to click on Let's Go option here, and you can see we can add our website like so. Now, if you try to add your YouTube channel, just copy the link like so, it won't allow you to add it. So what you're going to want to do here is you simply want to take your YouTube channel like so. I have just copied my email address, the first part of my email address, and then added .com, or even if you have any website, that will work because this was not directly linked to the YouTube AdSense process. Instead, you're not getting paid through your website, you're getting paid through the YouTube channel that you've already connected. So this is pretty much irrelevant when it comes to applying for AdSense. Like, it says required, but it is not required unless you're actually trying to add AdSense to Wix, WordPress, or any other website. So I've just done this. I've added my channel name, and then I added .com at the end of the thing, and then you click on save, and it will allow you to save it. And as you can see, that now works, and that will allow you to pass this process like so, and you will get paid through your payments on your channel.